In this state of Andhra Pradesh, every institution has taken a back seat. Every institution has taken a back seat. The misgovernance of Chandrababu Naidu, the Red Book Constitution, both these things put together have ensured that the state has taken a back seat altogether. As far as this incident is concerned, you would be surprised to know the kind of atrocities that the cops are committing, thanks to the support what Chandrababu Naidu's government is giving these cops, making the cops as well party in their looting activity. Because of this kind of because of this kind of support the cops are given, because of they being part in the looting activity of Chandrababu Naidu, which is currently prevalent. The cops have been emboldened, and it is not just stopping with Red Book alone. It is going beyond that, and that is what you have seen today. Where you see people who are innocent. I do not say these people talk about multiple cases on these people. But I just ask one simple question. How are you concerned about their multiple cases in the past? They could be having any case in the past. But how is this incident connected to any of their past incidents? This boy currently the Rakesh, he doesn't even stay in Tenali. He stays in Hyderabad. He works for Zomato, and he's just come here. And this boy is now picked up by the police. The other two boys who also been picked up by the police. A Muslim boy who has no cases on him. These two boys are his friends who came to see him. And here, just beside, in the same street, right beside the Ambedkar statue, there was a small altercation that was going on. And these people, unknowingly that it was a civil constable in civil suit, not even in police uniform, unknowing of that fact, had gotten into a small dispute with that constable, which led to this mischievous incident where police have picked them up and brought them up, given them a thrashing, and it just didn't stop there. These people were brought to the street, brought to this very street and beaten up, shaming their families. That boy is a junior advocate. That boy's sister she's yet to get married. She's an engineer. Rakesh, the other boy, who's working for Zomato, is a polytechnic graduate. And his sister is also an engineer who's yet to get married. Who has given them the right to destroy their families? Who has given them the right to destroy the reputation of their families? It didn't stop there. They have beaten them up. Once again taken to another street, once again beaten them up, and they have put a knife in their pocket. They put a knife in their pocket, and they had the MRO level officers come there, and they displayed the knife in this boy's pocket. When this boy is in their custody for 2 days, do you think these people would have permitted this boy to carry a knife in his pocket?